say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate humble.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So today's video is in collaboration with WHITEFOX Boutique, and we also have a really cool giveaway going on my Instagram right now, so make sure you guys go and check that out. They went ahead and sent me over some really cute fall and winter pieces, and as you guys know, I'm moving to Chicago. I live in Vegas right now, and we don't really have a winter, so I have literally no long sleeves or anything, and I've also been living in sweatpants ever since I gave birth a couple months ago. I've been trying to switch up my style and try different things, so WHITEFOX came at the perfect time. WHITEFOX is available worldwide. They do have express worldwide shipping. They do offer Afterpay to United States, New Zealand, and Australia. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys from like their regular WHITEFOX line, but they do also have WHITEFOX Swim and Active if you are interested in those. But before we go ahead and get into this try on haul, let me tell you guys about the Instagram giveaway really quick. It's super easy to enter, but you do have to be at least 16 years old to enter it. Make sure you're following me, SimplyNessa15, and WHITEFOX Boutique on Instagram. Reshare the post on your feed of the giveaway. It will be on my account. Make sure you tag both me and WHITEFOX, as well as 2 of your friends in the caption. That's all you have to do, and you have a chance of winning a really cute designer bag, as well as a $1,000 WHITEFOX voucher. So if you guys are interested, like I said, it is on my Instagram, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. I'll go ahead and put the link to the post down in the description. And if there's anything in this haul video that you guys do like and you're interested, make sure you use my discount code VANESSAWF so you can get 15% off. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. This packaging though is so freaking cute. They put like a whole bow on it, but I like tore it off. So the first 2 pieces are actually like a little set. You can buy them individually, of course. This is the Creative Direction cropped blazer. I got this in a size medium. And then I also got the skirt that she had on in the picture. And this is the loose ends mini skirt in black, but I got this in a size large. Right now I'm about a size 10-12. So here is the first 2 pieces. Am I giving you business, woman? This is everything. I love this so much. When I saw the girl wearing it on the website, I was just like, please, fingers crossed, like I'm gonna get the right sizing, like just fit properly. Oh my gosh, and it looks so freaking cute. Like this is taking business, woman, to a whole nother level. I am loving this. This is in a medium and I'm so glad it fits. I was kind of scared that it might be a little too tight, but it's actually fine. I'll be able to hold a baby with it. This is so weird to see myself like this because I wear sweatpants and t-shirts every single day. But as you can see, it fits amazing. Just for size reference, I am 5'9", and this is how the skirt fits me. It is a mini skirt, but it's not too short, so perfect. Now we're gonna move on to the next 2 pieces. So this is the Offstage oversized tee in medium large. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it has like a puffy paint kind of like screen print on it. And then we also have some jeans. Y'all, I've been struggling to find jeans in my size that fit correctly. These are the She's All That straight leg denim jeans, and I got this in a size large. So finger crossed these fit because I've had such a hard time finding jeans recently. They fit! Oh my god, these are so cute. I'm telling you guys, it has been so hard for me to find jeans. Oh my god. I stand all the way back so you guys can see how these fit, but oh my gosh, these are... The jeans feel like amazing quality. The t-shirt is super comfortable. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I just need to go and find some sneakers that match this, or get some like green laces, make it a look. So the next look we're gonna put on, this is the Schedule A meeting crop top, and this is in a size medium. So this one is gonna give us some boobage for sure. It's a really nice thick material up here though, so I do feel confident that I won't have anything showing through. We're gonna go ahead and pair that with these. Ooh, I was excited for these when I saw them on the website. These are the Fire It Up Wet Look pants, and it looks like this. The waist is looking a little, okay, it's stretchy. Okay, nice. I was about to say the waist is looking a little snatched, and I'm not that snatched right now. Bitch. These pants are everything. I have ordered so many pairs of wet look pants from so many companies, and this is the first time. I promise you guys I am not exaggerating because I'm collaborating with them. Like actually, if you go ahead and rewatch some of my hauls from the past and you will see. I have not been able to find wet look, you know, leather pants, and they actually fit nice. I didn't zip them up all the way because the tag is like stuck in the zipper. I love this. This look is like, it's grown, but it's getting sexy. Okay, the next item we're trying on is a dress. I have no dresses right now, so I'm excited about this. This is the Tough Choices mini dress in large again, and this is in the color mauve. So as you can see, it goes around your neck like that, and then we do have like some little mesh sleeves. I'm excited to try this. Ah, I have no dresses. This is so freaking cute. And I have the perfect pair of little white heels to match with it. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Okay, next we have a couple of tops. So we're gonna put on these pants so we can like try all of these on with it. These are the Fearless pants in the color black. Again, I got these in a size large. They have these in so many colors. I saw them in tan, white. I can't remember if I picked them up in any other color, but they do have them in other options. So I wanted to try them and see how they fit, and if they fit good, I'm definitely going to go back and get the other ones. This is one of their newer arrivals, and this is the Meaning of Love Bustier in medium. Here is the top. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute, you guys. And here are the pants. They just have a zipper on the back, no buttons, but they fit pretty well. I like these. Next, we're gonna try on the Missy long sleeve crop, and I got this in the size medium. And here is the top. I never wear shirts that are low cut like this because after I got my breast implants removed, my boobs have been a little bit more southern than northern girls. Next up, we are going to try on the Unapologetic Bustier, and this is in the size medium. And here is how the Bustier fits. I've always wanted one of these kinds of tops. I always see girls wear these under like a blazer with some jeans, and this is so cute. It is a little tight right here, if I'm gonna be honest. I should have got a large, I think, but yeah, super cute. I love this. Next, I have on the Island Escape mini dress in the color Butter, and this is also in a size large. This is definitely a mini dress. You guys can probably see my like shorts from underneath poking through. And the material is so soft, like it's so comfortable. Let me get closer so you guys can see what kind of material this is made of. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. So it turns out I did get something from WHITEFOX Active, and this is their long distance biker shorts in the color Mocha. And I got these in a size medium. I don't know why I'm trying to be bold and get mediums knowing I'm a large. And then I'm also gonna pair that with the Just a Feeling crop top in medium, and it's in the color white. Actually might cry right now. These are so freaking comfortable. Oh my gosh, it actually feels like I'm not even wearing shorts right now. Like the material is so soft, I feel naked. And then the crop top just fits perfectly. I don't know if you guys can see this band that goes across the waist. It has just enough compression to where it's kind of, you know, sucking in my bonsack. Next, we're gonna go ahead and try on a sweatsuit, and this is the Offstage sweater in Glacier Gray, medium large. And these are the Offstage lounge shorts in large Glacier Gray. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They're the perfect length. I just recently got some shorts from the shop in the mall, and they like stop at the most awkward length. But this is perfect. This with some crew socks, some sneakers, a little green purse, a little white hat. Yes, they are shorts, so I would have to wear this on a more like warmer day. Oh my gosh, this is everything. This is probably gonna be my traveling outfit, because y'all, I'm about to be doing a 24-hour road trip. I also got the You Are the One lounge shorts. So let's go ahead and try these on. So I got these shorts in a large, and I got these in a medium. I'm not sure why I got medium instead of a large, but let's try them on. I mean, they fit the same. Love yourself right there in a really cute little pink design. So now we have a couple more tops to try on, so I actually have to put these jeans back on so we can try those on. So the first top we're gonna try on is the Can't Forget You crop in medium. And it just looks like this. Look how cute! I got this in a medium. I probably should have got it in a size large. Although it doesn't fit like to clothes, I can still kind of like wear it as like an open situation and just put on like a little white crop top underneath. So it's still gonna get worn. Next, we're gonna try on the World of Dreams bodysuit, and I got this in a size medium. This is super cute. It's a full-on bodysuit, and it does have clips at the bottom, so you can just like, you don't have to take all your pants off and all of that, which is super annoying with some suits. But it's really, really cute. Love it. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and end it with our last item, and this is the Catch Me Now oversized blazer in medium large. I've been meaning to pick up a black blazer for the longest time. I feel like this is a staple in everybody's wardrobe, and I just have never been able to find one. So let's try it on. So I probably wear this with like some chunky white sneakers. I love how this fits. I like that it's giving kind of like, is there like padding in here? Oh, there is. Okay. Boxy kind of feel. I'm liking that. Oh my god, this is so cute. I am feeling it. So that is the last item in this haul. If you guys are interested in anything that I showed you today, you can use my code VANESSAWF to get 15% off site-wide. Like I said, they do have express worldwide shipping, so you guys can shop from them all over around the world. Check it out for sure. Definitely go check out WHITEFOX Boutique and enter the giveaway so you guys have a chance of getting a free designer bag and a $1,000 WHITEFOX voucher. All you have to do is be 16 years old, follow both me and WHITEFOX Boutique on Instagram, repost the giveaway post, and make sure you tag both me and WHITEFOX in that so we can see it. And make sure you tag 2 of your friends in the caption. But that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys all in a couple days. Bye!